and girls. Are you ready for a fun adventure in space? In this video, we'll take a silly look at the planets in our solar system and imagine what it would be like to live on each one. We'll see some wacky planet faces, learn the names of all the planets, and laugh our way through the galaxy. So, buckle up and get ready to blast off with our Funny Planets adventure. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Here are some short facts about the planet. Mercury. Mercury is like the speedster of the solar system. It zooms around the sun faster than any other planet. Plus, it's super hot, so you could cook a whole bunch of pizza on it. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet and it's like a giant oven. But watch out for the acid rain, it's not so great for your hair. Earth. Earth is like the party planet because it's the only one with ice cream, pizza, and roller coasters. Plus, it has cute fluffy animals like pandas and kittens. Mars. Mars is like the superhero planet because it has the biggest volcano and a cool robot named Perseverance exploring it right now. It's also known as the red planet because of its rusty color. Jupiter. Jupiter is like the boss planet because it's the biggest one in the solar system. It's like a giant ball of gas. But don't get too close to it, its storms are bigger than Earth. Saturn. Saturn is like the fancy planet because it has a beautiful ring around it made of ice and rocks. It's also very light. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float in it. Uranus. Uranus is a sideways planet because it's tilted on its side. It's also like a giant icy ball. You wouldn't want to play catch with it. Neptune. Neptune is a windy planet because it has the fastest winds in the solar system. It's also like a giant blueberry except instead of juice, it's made of gas and ice. Now let's learn some real facts about the planets. 1. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the Sun. 2. It has extreme temperature variations. 3. Its surface is covered in craters, mountains, and plains. 4. Mercury has the highest density of any planet in our solar system. 5. It has no moons or atmosphere. 6. It's named after the Roman messenger god. 7. Venus, not Mercury, is the hottest planet in our solar system. 8. Only 2 spacecraft have ever visited Mercury. 9. Mercury's year is shorter than its day. 1. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the hottest planet in our solar system. 2. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets and has no moons. 3. Venus has a thick atmosphere and volcanoes. 4. It's covered in clouds made mostly of sulfuric acid. 5. Venus is known as the morning star or evening star and is similar in size to Earth. 6. Venus is the brightest planet and can be seen during the day. 7. It doesn't have a magnetic field like Earth, which means it's not protected from the solar wind. 8. Spacecraft like NASA's Mariner, Pioneer, and Magellan have visited Venus. 9. Venus is dry and rocky with no water. Did you know that Venus has crazy fast winds that can go up to 220 miles per hour? It's because of something called superrotation in its atmosphere. 1. Earth is our home planet and the only planet known to have life on it. 2. It's the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet in our solar system. 3. Earth has a protective magnetic field that helps to shield us from harmful solar radiation. 4. Our planet is covered in 71% water, which makes it unique in our solar system. 5. Earth's atmosphere is made up of different gases, including oxygen, which is essential for life. 6. Earth has one moon, which is the fifth largest moon in the solar system. 7. Our planet has 4 layers: the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. 8. Earth's rotation causes day and night, while its orbit around the Sun causes the changing of seasons. 9. Earth is constantly changing and evolving, with natural processes like plate tectonics and weather shaping its surface over millions of years. 10. Earth is the only known planet to have active plate tectonics, which causes earthquakes and volcanoes. Finally, the Earth is a precious and fragile planet that we must all work together to protect for future generations to enjoy. 1. Mars is the fourth planet and is known as a red planet because it looks reddish. 2. It's smaller than Earth and has a thinner atmosphere. 3. Mars is rocky and has mountains, valleys, and craters. 4. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is on Mars. 5. Mars has 2 small moons called Phobos and Deimos. 6. Scientists think liquid water once existed on Mars and are searching for signs of life. 7. The first successful mission to Mars was NASA's Viking 1 in 1976. 8. NASA continues to explore Mars with rovers, orbiters, and landers. 9. Many people love Mars because it's a cool planet in science fiction stories and movies. 1. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. 2. It has big storms like the Great Red Spot. 3. Jupiter is a gas planet, so it doesn't have a solid surface. 4. It has at least 79 moons. 5. The 4 biggest moons are called Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Jupiter is named after the Roman king of the gods. 7. You can see Jupiter from Earth with just your eyes. 8. Jupiter's gravity helps protect Earth from asteroids. 9. NASA has sent missions to explore Jupiter, like the Juno spacecraft. 1. Saturn is a big gas planet with lots of rings around it. 2. It's the 6th planet from the Sun. 3. Saturn has at least 82 moons. 4. The biggest moon is called Titan, and it's bigger than the planet Mercury. 5. Saturn is named after the Roman god of agriculture. 6. The rings around Saturn are made of bits of ice and rock. 7. You can see Saturn from Earth with just your eyes. 8. Saturn's rings are one of the most beautiful things you can see in the sky. 9. NASA has sent missions to explore Saturn, like the Cassini spacecraft. 1. Uranus is a big gas planet that's blue-green in color. 2. It's the 7th planet from the Sun. 3. Uranus has at least 27 moons. 4. The biggest moons are called Titania and Oberon. 5. Uranus is named after the ancient Greek god of the sky. 6. Uranus spins on its side, so its north and south poles are where its equator should be. 7. You can see Uranus from Earth with a telescope. 8. Uranus has a faint set of rings made of small rocks and dust. 9. NASA has sent missions to explore Uranus, but none have made it there yet. 1. Neptune is a big gas planet that's blue in color. 2. It's the 8th planet from the Sun. 3. Neptune has at least 14 moons. 4. The biggest moon is called Triton. 5. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea. 6. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, with gusts over 1,000 miles per hour. 7. You can see Neptune from Earth with a telescope. 8. Neptune has a faint set of rings made of small particles. 9. NASA has sent missions to explore Neptune, like the Voyager 2 spacecraft. Wow! We've been absorbing some seriously amazing facts about the planets. Time to lighten the mood with some hilarious planet jokes. Get your giggles ready!
Why don't planets ever go to the gym? Because they have no gravity for it. What do you call a group of planets that love to sing? A starry oak. Why did Venus get a tan? Because she was too close to the sun. Why did Mars refuse to buy Jupiter a gift? Because he said Jupiter already had enough moons. What do you call a planet that's always grumpy? A Saturn. Why? Why did the astronaut break up with his keyboard? Because he said they weren't on the same orbit. Why is Jupiter always the life of the party? Because he has the biggest atmosphere. Why did the moon refuse to go to the sun's party? Because she said she always got burned by him. What do you call an alien that's really good at math? A calculatarian? Why did Mars break up with Jupiter? Because Jupiter had too many moons. What do you call an alien with 3 eyes? An eyewitness. Why did the sun go to school? To get brighter. Why is Neptune always so cold? Because it has its ice cream in its Milky Way. What do you call a planet that's really good at music? A Neptuna. Why did the astronaut break up with his girlfriend? He needed his space. Why did the Earth break up with the moon? Because it was just a phase. What did Jupiter say to Saturn when they met? Hey, nice rings. Why did the meteor go to the doctor? Because it was feeling a little meteor sick. Why don't planets ever go to the gym? Because they have no gravity for it. What do you call a group of planets that love to sing? A starry oak. Why did Venus get a tan? Because she was too close to the sun.
Wow! What a planet adventure we've had today. We hope you had as much fun as we did learning about our amazing solar system. We discovered some incredible facts about each planet, pulled some funny faces, and shared some hilarious jokes too. We hope you enjoyed it and had a few laughs along the way. Remember, learning can be fun, and we hope you continue to explore and discover the mysteries of the universe. If you had fun today, Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures like this one. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you on our next adventure.